Hello wonderful people. In today's video, I want to show us how to update our WordPress theme on a local host. For those who don't know what a local host is, local host means hosting your WordPress website on your hard drive on your computer. So if you look at here now, it's asking me to update to the latest WordPress, which is 6.5.2. Now, most cases, when I click on update like this, it doesn't get to complete, or most of the times it fails. So I'm going to show you how to update it manually. So the first step we need to do is to go to wordpress.org to download the current version, which is 6.5.3. So here on WordPress website, all you need to do is click on download WordPress 6.5.3. By the time you'll be watching this video, you might not have the same 6.5.3 here. So you choose whatever version you see here and you click on download to download it. So click on OK to download WordPress. So here is my WordPress downloaded. So I'm going to unzip it. It's a must I unzip it. So click on OK. So here is the WordPress and here is the content of the WordPress. So first thing I'm going to do is this. If you look here, I have about 19 items. I'm going to locate WP content. This WP content, I'm going to delete it right away. Okay, so that is the first thing I need to do. Then I go to my drive C. So here is my drive C. I open it. Here is my XAMPP folder. I open that. And I'm going to locate htdocs, which is this one you're seeing here. I'm going to locate this and open it. Then the next thing I'm going to look for is the website name I have on my local disk. So how do we do that? I go back to my website. And if you look at this place, I have Forest Academy as my website. So when I come back to my local disk, XAMPP and htdocs, I'm going to locate the same website name and open it. So when I open it, then I'm going to select everything. I'm going to hold Control, click on this and click on wp-config.php. So what it means is that I'm going to delete every other thing except this one and this one. So I right click and I say delete. So everything is gone except wp content and wp-config.php. So I go to where I extracted the WordPress, select everything. I'm going to copy it or cut, whichever. I go back to my website folder, as you can see here. Then I'm going to paste everything. and that is it. So let's go back to our localhost website. Now let's go back to the message, or we can simply refresh on this page or reload, and you can see the message is gone. This update here is just for other plugins, but the WordPress is now up to date. So you can see here, current version 6.5.3, and it says you have the latest version of WordPress. So that is how to update your WordPress theme on your local host. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.